How to start an LLC in New Jersey. If you do want to create an LLC, New Jersey may be the place to do it. The Garden State has one of the most highly educated workforces in the country, and real estate and office space are much more affordable than in nearby New York. LLCs allow their owners, called members in an LLC, to have the personal limited liability protection of a corporation with the tax benefits and flexibility of a partnership or sole proprietorship. In this video, I'm going to show you how to start an LLC using ZenBusiness, and I'm also going to review their service. They are one of the best entity formation platforms out there in the market. After clicking the link in the description below, you will land on this page. First, scroll down a little and below the business type section, you will see the Start an LLC option. Click on the green button and your LLC formation process will begin. Then put your business name and the state you want to form your LLC at. After you are done, click on Next. As you can see, it says my business name is available for registration in the state of New Jersey. ZenBusiness's own algorithm searched through the New Jersey Secretary of State's website within a few seconds and made sure no other business name is matching my own for trademark issues. As a result, you don't need to do this manually, which saves you a lot of time. After you are done, click on Next. As you can see, they have this cool question-answer checkbox type interface that basically guides you through the whole LLC formation process, and it's going to be like you're talking to someone and answering questions. Now, for this question, I'm going to answer lots and click on the Next button. In the next question, it asks whether you have employees or not. Since I do not have any employees, I will select the No option and click on Next. In the next question, it asks you whether your business address is different from your home address. Always answer this question by clicking the Yes option because you don't want to give away your home address to potential clients, customers, agencies, and other service providers and get bombarded with tons of physical mail. Since you are making your home address public by registering your business with it, you want to avoid being inundated with an excessive number of people and physical mail. ZenBusiness has its own business mail address service which will cost you an extra $25 per year, and I highly recommend you get that service so that you can keep your business address and home address separated. Then answer the next two questions according to your liking and click on Next. Here, it's asking you what industry your business falls under. Just click on the blank option, type your industry name, and select the one you are planning to start. Now, it's asking me to save my progress. I will select Save My Progress and click on Next. In this section, enter your legal first and last name, your email address and a valid phone number and click on Next. After that, it will ask you whether you want to get their registered agent service or not. Getting a registered agent is a legal requirement in order to file an LLC in any state. So one way or another, you are gonna need one. Getting a registered agent from a different place will be costly, and if you watch this video when you will fill out this form, you will fully understand the importance of a trustworthy registered agent, as they will handle and receive all the documents on your behalf sent to you by the state, so you can run your business hassle-free. ZenBusiness charges $199 per year for their registered agent service, which is not a lot in my opinion, and if you choose to get a registered agent through them, then they will only charge this fee after your LLC has been registered. So keep in mind about this fee, as you will have to pay this later on after filing your LLC through them. Now, in the next section, it's asking you whether you need EIN and business document service. You can file your EIN for $0 from your state's website, but if you don't have any EIN and want to file for one hassle-free, then you can select the $99 option and ZenBusiness will handle everything for you. Business document templates can be found online for free, that's why I didn't select it, but if you are in a hurry, then you can pick that service too. Now in the next section, ZenBusiness is asking you to choose a package. Remember, registered agent service is not included with any of these packages. Personally, I recommend you to go for the Pro plan, which will cost you $199 per year plus a $129 New Jersey state filing fee, which varies from state to state. I recommend this package because it includes an operating agreement and worry-free compliance service, which you are going to need anyway when filing for an LLC. If you go for the starter plan, which costs $0 plus the state fee, you will have to make all these documents yourself and file them manually, which is quite a lot of headache. That's why I don't like the starter plan. At the top right corner, you will see your total due amount based on the package and service you selected. Since I picked the Pro plan plus $99 EIN service, my total due amount is $328 excluding the $199 registered agent fee, which I will have to pay later on. The premium plan's gonna cost you $299 per year, and it includes everything from the starter and Pro plan. Plus, they are gonna help you register your LLC faster and set up your business website, business email, and domain name. This is for serious people that want to take off running from the get-go. So if you want speed and you want everything done for you, then this is probably going to be the best choice. If you scroll down below, you will see a bigger table where every package is compared side by side. And if you click below this table on the All package and also include an arrow, you will see 5 additional features that are available with every package. After selecting your desired package, click on Next. In the next sections, they will try to upsell you with their additional services which you don't necessarily need at the initial stage of your business. But if you think you are in need of any of these, then you can choose them according to your liking. Now click on the Review and Checkout button. Then, it's going to ask you to thoroughly check all of your information correctly again before placing your order. After filling this section correctly, it's going to send you to the payment section and will show you your total due amount. It will also show you all the services your package is included with. When you are done selecting, click on the Continue to Payment button and it will ask for your card number. Once you are done with the payment, they will start processing your order and you will receive your LLC within 7 to 9 business days. So, you can file your own LLC today. Now here's a quick rundown of New Jersey's LLC requirements. This video will explain how to create an LLC in New Jersey. Along the way, we'll also show you how our many business services can make the process easier still. 1. Name your New Jersey LLC. Check your NJ LLC name for existing trademarks. Secure a domain name for your business website. Is your New Jersey LLC name available as a web domain? If you find such a domain name, you might want to lock it down before someone else does. Reserving a business name for your New Jersey LLC. You can reserve your LLC's name for 120 days. Filing for an alternate name in New Jersey. 2. Appoint a registered agent in New Jersey. In New Jersey, a registered agent must be a person 18 years old or more, or a domestic or foreign. Have a registered office in New Jersey with a physical street address, not a P.O. box or something similar. Be available during normal business hours to accept legal notices in person. ZenBusiness can provide your registered agent. This keeps you in compliance with the registered agent statutes, and it avoids embarrassing scenarios where you could be served papers for a lawsuit in front of clients. Our registered agent service also keeps you organized. When you get important documents, we will quickly inform you and keep them together in your online dashboard. 3. File New Jersey Certificate of Formation. File your Certificate of Formation. To officially create your LLC in NJ, you'll need to complete the Certificate of Formation paperwork online and have it approved by the Division of Revenue and Enterprise Services. Obtain an EIN. New Jersey is different from most states in that it requires you to get an Employer Identification Number (EIN) from the Internal Revenue Service before you complete your certificate of formation. We cover how to get an EIN in Step 4 below. 1. NJ LLC registration. 2. Provide information for your LLC in NJ. 3. How to amend your certificate of formation. 4. Keep your NJ LLC formation documents organized. 4. Create an operating agreement. Establish the rules for your LLC with an operating agreement. An operating agreement is a critical document for an LLC. It spells out the details involved in the day-to-day operations of your business and also puts into writing things like who owns what percentage of the business, how profits are distributed, and how decisions are made. Among the many benefits of having an operating agreement for your LLC and NJ are: further protection of personal assets, clearly defined rules, assigning ownership, succession and dissolution, business funding, mindset, details of the LLC, capital contributions, distribution of profits, ownership percentages, books, records, and tax returns, bank accounts, management structure and voting, how changes in membership are handled, dissolution and liquidation, arbitration. All NJ LLC members must sign the operating agreement. Once you have finalized your operating agreement and it's time for all members to sign, you should have the signatures notarized. This secures the legal foundation of the agreement. Do I need an operating agreement if I'm the only owner? Another thing to consider, sometimes someone will take an LLC owner to court to try to prove that the owner and the LLC are the same entity so that they can go after the owner's personal assets. If that happens, having an operating agreement in place is one more thing to further demonstrate to the court that the business owner and the LLC truly are separate. 5. Apply for an EIN. Request an Employer Identification Number (EIN). You'll need to have this unique tax ID number, also called a Federal Tax Identification Number, before completing your certificate of formation. It's used for paying federal taxes, and you'll likely also need one to open a business bank account. Can filing as an S-Corp lower my taxes? An LLC has passed through taxation by default. This appeals to most owners of LLCs because it avoids double taxation, in which a corporation pays taxes at both the business level and again when the income is paid to the individual owners. But some LLCs opt to be taxed as a C corporation or an S corporation because, in their case, it works to their advantage. Open a business bank account. Once you've secured an EIN, you'll be able to open a business bank account. Having separate accounts for your business and your personal banking is critical for sorting out your finances at tax time and helps you avoid commingling funds. We can help, ZenBusiness. We offer many services beyond just helping you form your LLC. Our business experts can also give you long-term business support to help run and grow your company. Let us take care of LLC formation, compliance, and more so you can make your business a reality. Are you ready to finally take the leap and launch the business you've been dreaming about? You're getting ready to form your own limited liability company or LLC. But wait, where do you start? ZenBusiness can easily guide you through the 5 legal steps of starting your LLC. Step 1. Select a great name for your LLC, one that no other business uses. Step 2. You must choose a registered agent to receive state correspondence and legal notices for you in person. Step 3. File your articles of organization. Once paperwork is approved and fees are collected, your LLC is official. Step 4. Create an operating agreement. This establishes the important rules for operating your company. And finally, Step 5, apply for an employer identification number to open a bank account or hire employees. You may also need to review tax requirements. Feeling a little overwhelmed? Don't worry. Click the link in the description to let ZenBusiness quickly and easily form your LLC.